Arrive in style with this 2018 Kia Sportage. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 240 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, and dash and compressor, intercooled turbo. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.